Hello and welcome back to Potions class. My name is Lucia and right now it is Capricorn season. Capricorns are earth signs ruled by the planet Saturn. Represented by the sea goat, they are known to be ambitious, organized, and very goal-oriented. They are hardworking and disciplined, but may end up pushing the same expectations onto others. They will do whatever it takes to achieve their goals, which can be very stressful. I think they're just doing their best, and I think that's awesome. Today's potion is called the Golden Ram, and this is the perfect potion for anyone who wants to have the same hardworking energies as Capricorns. Have a new project you want to get started? Maybe you have a goal that you've been aching to accomplish, but you just don't know how to make it work. Use this potion to create the plans that you need to set your thoughts into action. So without further ado, let's craft the Golden Ram. So these are the ingredients for today's potion. You will need 1 tablespoon of softened butter, an 1/8 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, an 1/8 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, an 1/8 teaspoon ground allspice, 5 ounces of hot water, 2 ounces of dark rum or spiced rum, 1 tablespoon of vanilla syrup, half a tablespoon of honey syrup, and 1 cinnamon stick for garnish. Alright, so first grab a mug. I'll be using a mason jar. Add in your butter, cinnamon, nutmeg, and allspice. Next, add in your hot water, rum, vanilla syrup, and honey syrup. Stir to combine. Lastly, garnish with a cinnamon stick. And ta-da! The Golden Ram is complete! If you want to do some advanced magic, harness the energies of malachite. This stone is perfect for abundance and creativity, and helping you ground your thoughts into physical actions and steps. Taste test time! Okay, so you definitely have to mix this before you drink it because it's just a layer of butter on top right now, and that's, not ideal unless you want to have a mouthful of butter. But yeah, just make sure you do stir this together before drinking it because the butter is at the top and the spices are probably at the bottom. So if you want a good flavor, mix it together. All right, let's see what this tastes like. Cheers! Okay, not bad. It's basically what I imagined it would be. You do get mostly the rum flavor and then it kind of hits you with a bit of the spices after. The butter definitely makes this drink feel creamy, so it's like drinking a creamy rum. But yeah, this is perfect for people who don't want to drink anything that's too strong in alcohol because we added so much water to it, so it's quite toned down. So easy to drink for most people, I would say. I would personally like this to be a little sweeter, but I think the point of this is not to have it to be too sweet. It's not meant to be like a dessert or anything, but you know, personally, that would be my preference. I would maybe add more vanilla syrup to it, but you do get a hint of vanilla in here as well. It almost kind of tastes like ice cream in a sense, like rummy ice cream. Okay, or maybe not ice cream, but maybe like a baba o rum or something. It has like the vanilla and the spices and the rum, of course. Personally, I would say if I were to make this again, I'd use a little bit less water. So maybe if you were to try this recipe out, start with less water and then just add more to your preference. But yeah, this is quite interesting. I do like it. I've definitely tried making drinks before with butter in it and they don't usually turn out that great, especially once it cools down. Then you just have this layer of butter that's just hardened. Not the most pleasant thing to drink, but yeah, definitely good when the drink is warm. I can imagine this being pleasant if you were like cold and like starving or something, because I imagine the butter would fill you up a little bit. It's kind of like bulletproof coffee, right? You add butter to your coffee. I personally never tried it, but I imagine it's not similar, but same idea. So yeah, I mean, it's pretty good. I don't know if I necessarily want to make it again. I can't really imagine any time where I'm like, I really want to add butter to my cocktails. But I mean, flavor-wise, I would probably give it maybe like a 7 out of 10, you know? It's like a B. Like, it's good, but it's not like, wow, this is so amazing, gotta share it with all my friends, you know? It's just good, and that's okay. All the Capricorns out there are probably saying, no, that's not good enough. You have to do better. I'm quite content with the B though. I can live with that. Anyway, that's the end of today's class. Thank you for joining me, and I hope that this potion helps you create a clear path to whatever you want to achieve. If you guys have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave it down in the comments below. And like and subscribe for some more awesome potions. And until next time, class is dismissed. Stay magical!